the same thing about putting yourself out there. That's why the song that come out, Candy Rush,
Yeah.
I appreciate it. There is some mixed views about that song. And for me, I just appreciate one, woman power. That's one. But also just doing something different. They said that they're trying to do something different with their sound. And I realized that Jamaicans were not open to people being different in any sort of way. And I'm not going to say that, you know, you might not think it's cringe and all these things, but make people be cringe. Make people be cringe until they can get better. You know, allow people to be themselves, allow people to explore and do things.
I agree.
And I'd prefer to be cringe and living my best life than just not doing anything just to impress.
I agree.
You go party and nobody don't want to dance. My God, I'm just like, just dance.
Man, I tell them, man, everybody want to
not
look
that
cool.
deep.
Everybody
Everybody
want to
look
look cool. Them want to stand up in the corner. Them want to watch other people. Why you there want party and not enjoy yourself? That's why I'm not really...
stifling the art because people don't want to put themselves out there. Everybody want to be critics, but nobody wants to actually
Nobody don't want to do
create
nothing.
art.